My name is Abhishek Bhagat. I am from Annasab Dange College of Engineering and Technology, Ashta. We choose theme for innovation contest is clean water and potable water. In this theme, we choose the RO system. The drawbacks of the RO system is there is high wastage water at the output as compared to the pure water. To overcome this drawback, we proposed a solution. In this system, we are used a high impulse generator, frequency generator, which has 12-volt DC supply, which generates a pulses of high frequency. Due to this, the electromagnetic waves are created in this pipe. The water is flowed from this pipe. Due to this, the water is can be polarized. As using this property, the waves from ultra frequency is break the water molecule, and there are various particular matters such as calcium and magnesium which are affected on the performance of the RO purifier. To break that magnesium and calcium ions, the waves are used. These waves change the crystal particle size and make it in uniform size. By this changing size of the particle, the membrane housing can be easily passed. The water can be easily passed through membrane housing, and the scaling problem of the RO membrane is reduced. Due to this, the membrane life is also increased in that case, and the output of the pure water is increased. See the working of the project. We are using a 24-volt DC supply for the power the 24-volt motor to pump the high pressure water through the RO membrane. This is a high pulse impulse generator circuitry which gives supply to the wiring coil of copper wires to this pipe. In this, there is a silver foil used to enhance the magnetization. These are the pre-filters which filter the big collider particles from the water. Then the water passes through the sediment filter. Then the effluents which are remaining from the pre-filters, they are removed from this filter. Now let's see. Then the water is passed through the pre-carbon filter. In this filter, the taste of the water is changed. Now the water is going to the motor, and the motor high pressure water is going through these coils where the high waves are created, and this polarize the water, and the water is then given to the membrane. Let's now see the working. Let's see the TDS of the water. Which is 29 ppm, which is the pure water TDS. Now check the wastage water TDS. Which is around to 140 ppm. This is our tap water which will fed to our filter. Now check the TDS of the tap water. The TDS is also 140 as similar to the output wastewater. Thank you.